Okay, so this plan is for people who are exhausted and afraid bed bugs will never leave. It gives a clear routine to lower bites now, treat hiding spots, and stop them from coming back. Here's the thing. If you're exhausted, worried about bites, or afraid bed bugs will never leave, this plan is for you. It hands you a step-by-step prevention routine that lowers bites tonight, treats where bugs hide, and keeps them from coming back. It's practical and focused on results. You know what this guide covers: how to stop bites tonight, what to do to kill and prevent bed bugs long term, and how to know when the infestation is truly gone. Keep those 3 goals in mind as we walk through the plan. You don't need complicated tools or professional help to start seeing progress, just consistent steps you can do tonight and tomorrow. Follow the steps consistently and you'll take control again. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This section covers actions you can take tonight to cut bites and get treatments working. Start with steps that reduce bites immediately and make follow-up treatments more effective. Okay, so first, get an encasement on your mattress and box spring. Encasements trap bugs inside and stop new ones from hiding. Wash all bedding and sleepwear on the hottest setting the fabric allows and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Move your bed away from walls and keep bedding off the floor to cut climbing routes. This one's important. If your bed has legs, put bed bug interceptors under each leg. Interceptors catch bugs climbing up and give you a way to monitor activity so you can see if anything is still moving around. Next, target the places bugs hide. Vacuuming, steaming, and the right sprays will remove live bugs now and leave protection behind. Vacuum seams, tufts, frames, baseboards, and nearby furniture, then seal and toss the vacuum bag outside. Use a steam cleaner on mattresses, box springs, frames, and seams to kill bugs on contact. Apply a contact spray to visible insects and heavily infested spots for immediate knockdown. Follow up with a labeled residual spray to cracks, crevices, and bed frame joints so bugs that come later keep getting killed. Use both types, contact sprays for instant knockdown and residual sprays for ongoing protection, because they work together. Treating once isn't enough. You need a rhythm that catches newly hatched bugs and those that move out of hiding over time. Here's a practical schedule. Spray twice a week for the first month, then once a week for 2 to 3 months while keeping encasements, heat laundry, and interceptors in place. Be consistent. Bed bugs don't die from one treatment. Repeated pressure and follow-up finish them off. This one's important and short. The most common reason bed bugs return is stopping too soon. Persistence is what ends an infestation. Consistent heat laundering, encasements, interceptors, vacuuming, and a planned spray schedule together do the job. Small habits stop recontamination. Keep clean and dirty items separate, store clean clothing safely, and inspect anything new before it comes into your home. Keep clean clothes separate from unwashed laundry and store clean clothing in sealed containers or bags until you're sure the infestation is gone. Regularly inspect suitcases and any second-hand furniture before bringing them inside to avoid reintroducing bugs. If you want the specific products we trust for prevention and treatment, click the link below. Those items make the plan practical: mattress covers, interceptors, steamers, and the sprays that fit this routine. Now let's cover how to tell if the infestation is truly gone and a few extra tips that increase your chances of success. If you don't find any of the following signs for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Keep checking for those signs so you can trust when the problem is over. Look carefully for live bed bugs, shed skins or exoskeletons, and fecal spots. If you see any of these, treatments need to continue. Finding none for months is a strong sign the infestation is gone. Also watch for blood spots on sheets. Keep monitoring with interceptors, visual checks of seams and baseboards, and continue high heat laundry. Reapply residual sprays if activity returns. Seal cracks. reduce clutter, and keep encasements until you're confident. Those extra steps make success much more likely. You can eliminate bed bugs with a steady plan and the right tools. Stick to the plan, check carefully, and be patient. You can sleep through the night again. For the tools that help you put this plan into action, click the link below.